Hey guys, Tam here from Perfect Supplements Australia. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a natural sports drink. So we've got a couple of options here. Firstly, we're going to go with just plain water, and then the next option we're going to go with coconut water. So what you'll need some kind of tumbler or some kind of protein shaker, and you put your liquid in there, and then this is the magical ingredient. This is baobab powder. This stuff is incredible because it contains potassium, loads of potassium, calcium, magnesium, and heaps of other good minerals. So all you need to make a perfect sports drink is this stuff and a pinch of salt, really. So we're just going to put in 2 scoops into the water first. And then if you wanted to sweeten it, which you don't really need to, you can put in a couple of drops of stevia. Just going to give that a try. And if you happen to have some ice handy, throw that in as well. And I'm just going to grab some salt. So this is just Himalayan salt, which is also full of minerals as well. Just a pinch of salt. And then I'm just going to give that a good shake. To edit it out. Oh, it's probably going to taste awful. I can edit all of that out. It's still coming. It's alright, I can edit that out. Put the lid back on like it never happened.
Yes.
Okay, so now we're going to taste this delicious concoction. Actually, that does taste pretty nice. I wasn't really sure what to expect.
Oh.
Because I've never had it with just water before. I've only ever had it in a smoothie. It's actually pretty nice. So you don't even really need it with coconut water, but if you do, that's an option too. And another option, you could even put in a handful of blueberries as well to add another layer of whatever. I don't even know what I was saying there. I can edit all that out. That's about it really, isn't it?
Layer of flavour.
I'll go back. And if you wanted to add some fruit, you could add a handful of organic blueberries to the water and take it with you on the go. And there you have it. That's the perfect natural electrolyte drink or sports drink. You have to forgive me for this video today. I haven't even done my hair. I made this video completely on the fly with my team member Anna because I'm in the middle of writing a blog all about muscle health, what muscles need, which led me to discover how sports drinks came about, which led me to create our own natural sports drink with the baobab powder and a pinch of salt. So if you liked this video and it added some kind of value to your life or you thought it was funny, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.